Colorado.
We will continue to talk about above average dry conditions, but we fortunately get to talk about some changes. Change number one comes into play for us as low pressure slides in off towards our north on Friday. The next best chance at a big cool down perspective comes into play as we head into next week as a big trough advances in from our west. So we're keeping our eye on that. Until then, we do remain under the influence of high pressure. And even though we do look ahead, I mentioned cool down for perspective purposes, we are still expected to be above normal. Now, as you look at the gradient across Colorado, we're edging toward near normal, but we're still staying on the warmer side. And this is your 6 to 10 day outlook. So October 14th through the 18th, we're keeping our eye on that. Out there on satellite and radar, we saw cloud cover increase yesterday. Moisture in the atmosphere increased. You might have thought, oh, it looks like it might rain. While we had that cloud cover increase, it's still so dry out there. So not expecting a lot of precipitation, maybe a few spotty showers up into the high country. Could see a stray spotty shower toward the Palmer Divide. But for the morning hours, we'll keep our eye on the air quality with air quality alerts into the northeast to start the day, going out of effect at 9 o'clock. So that's when we'll expect the worst of the air quality into eastern Colorado as that smoke continues to be an issue further off towards the east. We watched it retreat east yesterday. That's what it's doing this morning as well. Out the door for today, futurecasts will show that we have that cloud cover increase into the afternoon. Again, trying to pick up a few spotty showers with the increase in that moisture in our atmosphere. Not a lot of that going to make its way to the ground, but as mentioned, maybe a stray spotty shower toward the Palmer Divide and up into the high country today with some breezier conditions up into the mountains. As far as temperatures this afternoon, expect low 80s across the Denver Metro and Front Range, 75 in Monument today, 89 toward Lamar, so warmer into the southeast, and you head up into the high country, 60s and 70s across the board. Douglas County neighborhoods, upper 70s, low 80s. We have 81 in Littleton and Highlands Ranches, Castle Pines and the Pinery. Work to get to about 78. Taking you to Adams County, 81 in East Lake and Thornton, 82 in Henderson and Commerce City this afternoon, 83 up toward Brighton. Looking ahead to tomorrow, temperatures climb a little more. We'll be about 15 to 25 degrees above normal heading into Thursday. So certainly seeing that above average weather trend continue. But by Friday, we're a little cooler. Temperatures drop into the 70s. We warm up a little bit on Saturday, but then we drop again on Sunday. That's cold front number 2. We're near normal heading into next week. It's going to feel lovely by next week, or at least feel a little closer to where it should be this time of year as temperatures finally drop into the upper 60s and low 70s, but we do stay dry for this extended forecast.